Hi, and welcome to this close-up mini-lecture on aging societies. As we can see from this graph, which looks at the percentage of the world's population over 65, most of the world's societies are aging. In many middle and high-income countries, population aging is given an extra boost because of low birth rates. In developing countries, populations are aging more rapidly than in developed countries. Overall, the number of seniors in the world will triple between now and 2050. At some point in the next decade, the planet will have more seniors than children under the age of 5. An aging global population will change the world in many ways, not all of them predictable. What is certain is that there will be far-reaching economic and healthcare-related impacts. Take Spain, for instance, whose overall population will decline over the next 50 years due to a low birth rate and net emigration. By 2064, almost 40% of Spain's population will be made up of seniors, and there will be as many dependents as there will be people employed. One of the variables that will determine the consequences of an aging population in each society is its population profile. In other words, the percentage of the population in various cohorts. Here is an animation of changes to Canada's population profile between 1871 and 2051. And if you watch it cycle through a few times, you can see two dramatic trends. First, Canada was literally a very young country in 1871, with a substantial proportion of its population 19 years of age and under, creating a pyramid shape. Second, starting in 1951, you can see the impact of the baby boom, and as the boomers age, you can see the population pyramid almost inverting itself as the population ages. Here we are looking at the same trend in terms of numbers rather than graphically. Already, almost 1/3 of Canada's population consists of baby boomers, and the oldest of them are now retiring. This is why healthcare administrators, urban planners, and many other Canadian professionals are now starting to speak of the Grey Tsunami, to refer to the coming impacts of our aging society. As is the case with Spain, there will be a shrinking number of people working and a larger number dependent on government assistance. In terms of healthcare, it stands to reason that the older we get, our average healthcare costs rise exponentially, as we can see here. The Grey Tsunami will have unprecedented impacts on all areas of social life. Cities will have to be planned and run differently. Retail stores will change to target an aging market. Plus, there will be many opportunities for professionals working in areas of the economy that will directly serve older Canadians, from medical and paramedical services to home care. Thanks. Make sure you have also checked out this week's lecture on the sociology of the body.